Okay, I thought I would update you guys on how everything went up at Crystal Park. You saw my video earlier when I was pulling out one of the coolest pieces ever. Cleaned up. It is, let me find her. Where'd I put her? Now I don't know where she's at. Anyway, I cleaned up some pieces and now I'm working on some clusters. I thought I'd share with you guys. Check these guys out. This is really cool. I can't wait. All I've done so far is just soap and water. So hopefully soon you'll get to see some really cool stuff. This one is really neat. Oh, look at it. Sparkle and shine. This one's kind of neat because there's just like one guy chilling in the middle. This one turned out pretty cool too. So all I'm doing right now is just soap and water and like a scrub brush, similar to a toothbrush, and getting in there and trying to get all the dirt out. This will take numerous steps to clean. And when I was down there, this one's really cool because like this is like hard, like agate. I thought that was so cool. But so when I was digging the very end of my first day, I walked by these guys that were under this tarp, and I looked down and the hole was huge. I couldn't believe how big that hole was. And I started talking to them, and they're from Washington State too. Very cool. And they said, hey, we're not going to be here tomorrow. You can work on this hole if you'd like tomorrow. And I was like, yeah. So I went back to that hole, and this is all the stuff that I found from there. Lots and lots of cool pieces, clusters. Yeah, really neat. And then, of course, some really cool individual pieces. This one's kind of neat because it's got a clear and a smoky, and it's like they're kissing. Aw, that's sweet. Might have to call it that. Something like that's pretty neat. True love crystals. Anyway, some really cool clusters. And then I wanted to share with you my epic find because I didn't have, my phone died right after I made that other video, so I didn't get to share with you the epic find. So I'm gonna, this is my pot. I got lots of stuff left in here still. So I'm just working on cleaning stuff up, soaking it. Here's a few pieces I just pulled out. Here's some more chunks, huge chunks. This is huge. Lots of crystals in there though. And then I had this all arranged before when I was in the hotel, and right now it's just kind of a mess because I was just like, all right, let's just get some in here and get it clean. But there's some cool ones. There's like scepters in here. Oh my gosh, so cool. Oh, this is that piece that I pulled out. What that has, like, it's a part scepter, it's double terminated. And I thought it was amethyst. I really did. But I think it's just smoky. But it's still so cool. I'm not sure if I did find any amethyst. There's some that have like some rainbow in it, which is really neat. And again, the more I clean up everything, the better it's gonna be. This one's pretty cool. Pretty. Hold that up, you can see there, that was so nice. But he did break on the backside. I think it was like that though when I dug it. But are you ready? Oh, here's another big cluster piece. The epicness that is this guy. This was my last crystal I dug out. I actually found him because of what was underneath him. So I think I actually broke these pieces off because I was digging and I saw these little pieces. So I started grabbing these crystals, and then as I continued to dig, I felt this side right here, and I was like, this is way bigger than the other ones. And sure enough, this guy came out, and he's a little beat up, but I'm like amazed, just amazed that I found this. So that is my big find. I'll put them up in the sun so you can see through them. Really cool. Really cool. Oh man. I feel pretty proud to find this. It's really special. So definitely worth the trip. And I'm going to clean these up really nice, and I'll probably have a few of them for sale at one of my events this fall. Not this one though. He's pretty special. But I have a lot to clean up. So I'll get some of these cleaned up. Here's some more big chunkers. This guy's still about a third of the way full. And then a bunch of these guys. So yeah, awesome trip. I recommend Crystal Park in Montana.